Coriander, a versatile spice, enhances flavors in dishes worldwide. Originating from the Mediterranean, it's now cultivated in countries like India, the United States, and France. Its leaves, known as cilantro, are popular in Middle Eastern, Mexican, and Indian cuisines. India is the world's largest coriander producer, contributing 68.58% of global production. In 2023, India produced over 804,000 metric tons. Rajasthan leads with more than 60% of the country's output, thanks to its semi-arid climate and well-drained soils. India exported 97.7 million kilograms of coriander in 2023-2024, valued at $95.9 million. With 3,180 shipments, 622 exporters supplied 1,023 buyers, representing a 38% increase in the number of buyers. Products include whole seeds, oil, powder, and splits. India's top coriander export markets include China, Malaysia, and the United Arab Emirates. China alone accounted for $35.29 million in export value, highlighting its significance in India's coriander trade. Prominent Indian coriander exporters include Mahesh Agro Food Industries and Yuvaraju Food Impex. These companies meet global demand, ensuring India's position as a leading coriander exporter. India's coriander market thrives due to supportive government policies and global demand. As a major exporter, India continues to serve international markets, ensuring a bright future for its coriander industry.